Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Kershaw Rove, an excellent value folder that you can find at KnifeCenter.com. Kershaw has made a name for themselves by creating innovative and high-performing value folders for everyday carry and outdoor use. One reason for their popularity is their use of the assist mechanism that started it all. Called SpeedSafe, it was designed by world-renowned knife maker and frequent Kershaw collaborator Ken Onion. Still featured throughout much of their lineup to this day, the SpeedSafe mechanism makes for fast and reliable deployment at any price range. One of these knives that we've been big fans of here at the Knife Center is the Rove. This well-rounded knife packs a lot of features that make it an excellent choice for EDC use. The lightweight GFN handle scales have been textured to give you the best grip possible, and a reversible deep carry pocket clip lets you carry it on whichever side you prefer. The curved handle follows the natural shape of the hand, and a reliable liner lock pairs perfectly with the SpeedSafe action for rapid deployment and secure cutting. The thing we're particularly fond of on the Rove is the drop point blade. Made from flat ground 8CR13 MOV, the stonewashed steel features a long, continuous belly, which is excellent for slicing. A deep swedge runs along the spine, making those cuts even more efficient. Straight out of the box, it's able to cut through newsprint and cardboard with no problems. Not confined just to EDC rolls, the Rove is also a capable food prep or hunting folder. That gracefully curved edge makes long, sweeping cuts a breeze, and it'll chop through an onion or slice your steak with aplomb. The best thing, however, is the insane value that this knife represents. You can pick up the Rove from Knife Center for only $16.95, making this a great candidate to be your next daily carry. We scored a great deal on these knives at closeout prices, and we're passing the savings on to you. Need more convincing? Our user reviews say it all. The Rove is one of the best deals out there at this price. The steel used in this blade sharpens up quite well to an excellent edge. Nice feel, sharp blade, quality product. To snag one for yourself, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. To keep up with all our knife-related content, make sure to like and subscribe. And in the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com. And check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.